Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is going to be on Thailand DJ. Yes, and this is also going to be an unboxing and review. My first one of Case K, so this is pretty cool. So yeah, without further ado, let's start on the review of DJ. Here is DJ, and as you can see, he is new to this case. The first time he has been released, I believe, since 2016 or 2017 early on. So it is really nice to see these tuners back, especially Snotrod 2. We've now gotten 2. But there is one difference that I've noticed straight away, is that Snotrod is facing the other way to DJ, which is a bit weird, but I think that's the same for the whole of Case K's, that they swap the cars around. But again, I'm not too sure. Anyways, here is DJ. We've got the green stripe in the car, the name tag which just reads DJ, and then we got this rest of the right there. Got the bridge on the name tag there. Here's his card art, DJ. He's in the tuner series, and there's the cars logo with the blue desert. Very nice. At the back, here we got more pictures of the tuner cars, Boost, Snotrod, and Wingo. Wingo might be in the next case, we're just unsure. The description does read, the mischievous gang has no concerns for speed limit or regard for the other cars on the road. That's what that bio says there, with the RSN logo there, and made in Thailand. So that is the package review of DJ. Now we'll be opening him up. There is DJ out of the package, as you can see here. Now, this is also not just a Thailand versus China comparison, which I should say, shout out to Piston Cup Productions for starting off this series. It is also a Thailand versus China series, which is back in 2005 and 6, when the first ever Desert Series cars were released. The cars were being made in Thailand, which of course you did see my review on Doc the other day. Here is the first one. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but here you can see it is made in Thailand, just up there. Very nice. Might have to turn on the flashlight here. So there it is, made in Thailand. So yep, we're just going to quickly go over the review of DJ first over here, and then we'll do comparisons in a little bit. Here is DJ. This is my first version with the green stripe. So that is very nice. DJ is one of my favourite cars from the tuners, because he's like the second main person, because he's got the jukebox, I'd say. We've got these nice green stripes at the front here. We've got this nice little bonnet at the front as well. Headlights. Nice smile. Angry expression with the Thailand eyes. On the side, he is so detailed, he is so cool. We've got these green Z's on the spoiler here. You see, they look like Z's. And again, we got this bigger Z and then a darker green Z. And of course, I forgot what they're called, but I call them a bit like beats. But for this video, I am going to call them beats. They look like beats there. We've got these more like grill fender thingies on the side. Very nice. Here is the top, again, as you can see with the spoiler. Here is the back. We've got a load of these Duke beat thingies. We got the all the CDs that he probably has, and of course the one from where he plays with Matt. I can't remember the song's name, but it's like I don't want to get copyright, but yeah. You guys probably know the song. We've got these red lights here too. And here we've got the exhaust where the flames would come out on the diecast, which I did bring out as well to show you what I mean, as you see. But yeah, that is Thailand DJ. Here is the base if you're interested. Made in Thailand. N15 Factory A Mattel. So very nice. No other copyright, it looks like, on the base there. Does say some stuff up here. Disney and Pixar. Seems to be another code there, but I'm not exactly sure what that is. But yeah, that is my review on DJ. Now we're going to be comparing it to the Thailand and China one. Here's the other Thailand one. So as you can see, my one has these blue stripes here. The other differences that I can see is that he's got no Z's on the other side of the spoiler here. And on the front, as you can see, he's supposed to have these Z's on the side here where my thumb is. But he hasn't got them on the other diecast. It's probably one of the biggest differences in diecasts so far from Thailand, with the main difference. But then, again, this is the Thailand one, as I have shown before. You can see, made in Thailand. It is upside down, sorry about that. Made in Thailand. So, yep, but we do have the other one here, which is China. But again, the China one is more accurate to this one, but then this one is the most accurate of them all. But yeah, we were taking a look at this. Very nice. There's the sides. Nice rims DJ has. Very nice. So that is the review on DJ. But I am just going to bring out and quickly show my other variants of DJ. We've got a lenticular DJ here. I'm not sure if there's two types of DJs. I've got all the dust on him. He's been on the shelf for quite a while. But here's another fact that I noticed about this DJ. That the lenticular DJ is more accurate. And it's from China, I believe, too. Yep, China. To the Thailand one. Because look, it's got the green stripes here. The green on the side. So I'm not sure what Mattel's problem is with the non-lenticular DJs. But yeah, that's just a story for another day, I guess. That's the lenticular DJ. We also got my all-time favourite DJ. And probably one of my favourite metallic cars of all time. This is dark blue DJ. It just looks so cool. Does show up on camera pretty well too. There's DJ. We also got DJ with flames, which is what I was talking about earlier. Again, he's got the correct green stripes, and of course, there's the exhaust, which I did say, where the flames comes out. And last but not least, here is my DJ with impound boot. Very nice. Just the only difference to the actual normal diecast, well, if Mattel made one. Let's pretend this is China. The only difference will be that impound boot. So it's pretty useless, to be honest. But yep, those are my variants of DJ. I believe I have them all. And then here is my only package collection of DJ. Yeah, I know, my package DJ collection actually pretty sucks. I've only got 2 in total. And that's on DJ here and DJ on the right. So on the right is the new one, and on the left is the DJ with flames. So that is that. But to end off this video, I'm going to show off Boost, Snot Rod, and Wingo. Now, the funny thing is, I believe, yeah, this Boost here is also made by Thailand, and this Snot Rod here is by Thailand too, and this Wingo is again by Thailand. The reason why is because he's got quite a few dents. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, which is your favourite member of the team. Mine is probably DJ, then Snotwad, then Boost, then Wingo, because Wingo never really does anything in the movie. So yeah,